Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making a plantain vegetable burger. I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, so for this burger I'm going to be using black beans and I'm going to be using green plantain for the buns. Let's get right to it. First thing I'm going to be doing is mashing my black beans. And you can get any brand of black beans that you prefer. So I'm just going to be mashing the black beans. So now I have completed mashing the black beans. Next, I'm going to be sauteing the vegetables I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to start by using a heaping tablespoon of butter. Now some people just put their vegetables straight into their veggie burger, but I rather that it's sauté, so we take that raw taste out. Now I'm gonna add my green seasonings, which is parsley and green onions. I also have a sprig of thyme. I will be taking out the branches once it's done. Next, I'm going to be adding the bell peppers and the seasoning peppers together. Now in this pan I'm gonna start putting the plantain so they could start frying whilst the vegetables are sauteing. So I'll be adding about 2 cups of oil. Let the oil heat up and then I'm gonna add the plantains. Okay, I'm gonna start with doing the plantain. My oil. Okay, so the seasonings have finished sauteing, so I'm just gonna add them to the beans. To that I'm gonna add this, which is all-purpose seasoning. Complete. This is the complete seasoning. And in here I also added some smoked paprika just to add a little kick to it. And then I'm also going to be adding some breadcrumbs. Now these are just the plain breadcrumbs. Okay, so the plantain is done. I'm gonna be using this. Guys, there you have it. Here's the bun.